Good morning. This morning I'm going to cover COS1511, the May-June 2012 exam paper, question number 6. I've had a query from a friend of mine named Gina, who's wanting to find out why is the result showing 23 when this calc funny 2 is executed. And so I was trying to explain that what's nice with having code blocks in front of us is that we can actually view and see what changes are happening through cout statements. So on the left here is the actual code that they've given us, and on the right here is a revised version. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show what the output is before this minus equals is executed, and then I'm going to show what the values of the two variables funny sum and counter are after the minus equals is executed, and then I'm also going to show what the value of counter is set to after the minuses, this double minus is decremented, which means it's decrementing by 1. Hopefully this will just help you to understand how to get to the 23. And yeah, so let's watch it as it executes. As you can see, there I say this is before the minus equals, where the initialized values are 35 and 5. Okay, then after the minus equals shows that 30, the funny sum becomes 30 and the counter is 5, and that's the kind of behavior we're expecting from this minus equals, is that it will take whatever value is on the right and subtract it from the value on the left. So because this was 35, we got the 35 less the 5, which gave us 30, but the counter is still 5. So now what is happening is the next execution, the counter is set to 4 on this for this part over here, where it's decremented it to 1, so now it's showing. So now we've got two values, 30 and 4, which is what the funny is. Okay, so remember this is now 30 and this side is now 4, so we're going to take the 4 from the 30, and that's how we get to the 26 and the 4. Then we decrement the counter by 1, which gives us a result of 3. So now we've got the 26 and the 3, and the 26 on the 3 is take the 3 from the 26, and that will give us the result of 23, and then the counter is set to 3, and because we decrementing the counter by 1, it's becoming 2, and our choice P was set to 2, so this while counter will only execute the amount of times that this calc funny was passed, and because we've passed it a 2 value, counter is no longer greater than 2, it is actually equal to 2, so it will not execute, and that's how you get the result of 23. I hope this video has been helpful and gives you some insight as to how to understand and work through some of these snippets of code. Thank you for watching. Good luck with the exam.